wait, but do I need to get into the lane that the bus is in?
Past the bus. Okay, so we're gonna go on to the highway. I'm with a student here. She's driving her own car, people. So she has been driving for a minute. But we're gonna do a highway driving video because, you know, I don't have that many highway driving. So y'all will be going along with us. See if we actually make it back.
You know what?
No, we'll be fine. We'll be fine. But yeah, I'm gonna take you all on the highway for about 15 minutes so you can see how she's doing. Yeah. Well, I guess you need to go over to the right side because
just waiting
the bus is moved. Wait for this.
So that's something I had a question on, right? Because the question, when the line is solid, right, close to the lights, you're not supposed to merge.
You're not supposed to pass, yes.
Okay, so either way, I was just gonna be in the wrong.
Yeah.
But I should have gone faster.
Well, you should have. The guy that was beside you, he was actually in your blind spot.
Yeah.
So yeah, you should have like looked over to the right side. Well, I'll take that out of the video, but
please. I did look over, but I didn't.
You didn't see the guy in the blind spot. Yeah. So yeah.
And I've been trying to adjust my cameras to reduce blind spot.
Yeah, but you definitely have to turn around. You have to turn around and look. The mirrors does not cover the blind spot.
Okay, so I have to do better at
You have to turn around.
And then question, what is the speed limit? What are the rules for the highway, please, before I get on the highway?
Okay, so the hardest part of the highway driving is merging. Okay. So you want to speed up a little bit, and you're looking in the rear view on the side mirror, and you speed up looking for a spot to merge. Okay, speed up a little bit more, speed up. Wait for this gray car. And then try to get behind it, speed up.
So now?
Speed up, yeah.
In about 14 miles, take exit 42A onto SR 810 East and Hillsborough Boulevard.
How fast am I supposed to be going?
About 65.
What did you say?
60 is fine.
Okay.
But yeah, the speed limit, the maximum speed here would be 65, but yeah, coming onto the highway, merging is the hardest part. So you look for an opening, you increase your speed, and you come over gradually. You were like a little bit abrupt on that one.
Okay, so
you want to do it more gradually. And once you're on, you basically just driving. You don't change lane just for the heck of it, right? You change lane when there's a need to change lane.
And then when you're merging, can you slow down before
You're not supposed to slow down. So I mean, you're supposed to speed up. Definitely, you don't slow. Unless there's no way to get on, then obviously you will yield to the traffic that's already out there.
Okay.
You know, you yield to the traffic, and then you look for an opening and speed up and get in line.
Oh gosh.
But again, you don't speed up and do a boom solid turn like that. You speed up and do a gradual turn, just like you would. Yeah, like when you're changing lane. Okay. It has to be gradual. You can't make a sudden turn. So you have to look at the rear view mirror, look at the side mirror, and look in your blind spot, and then speed up and go over. So we're gonna try to do that. So go ahead, look in the rear view mirror, look at the side mirror.
Yeah. Good.
There's a big old truck there. You don't want to pull out in front of that big old truck.
So behind the truck.
Yeah. You definitely don't want to go in front of these big ass tractor trailers because they can't stop.
I don't even want to be next to them.
You know, you shouldn't be next to them. What you should do, you should either drive behind them or past them. Because if you're sitting beside them, speed up. Yeah. If you're sitting beside them, they can't see you in their side mirror. Right. You understand? They have a huge blind spot.
Yeah, I don't like being anywhere near them.
Yeah, you really shouldn't. You should be behind them or way in front of them. But yeah, people driving beside them or people go in front of them and slow up suddenly, that's super dangerous. Because, I mean, look at the size of these things and the weight that they're carrying. They don't just stop easily like that.
That's true. Okay.
But just relax though, you're good.
That merge on was scary, but this
yeah, but we have to exit and then come back on, right? We're going to do that.
In 11 miles.
Yeah, we're going to exit and then come back on the highway so you can do the merge thing again.
Okay, the next exit?
Yeah, we'll we'll exit on Commercial.
So should I start making my way back to the right lane?
Yeah, just signal right. Wait for this gray car that is in there. Look here again. Look here. Look over here in the blind spot. And then you go behind this car. But watch the motorcycle.
Yeah, I see it.
Okay. Speed up and go. Speed up. Yeah. Like that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Alright. So we're gonna exit. So we're gonna go over one more actually. The signal, wait for these two cars. See these cars here.
The 3 cars you mean?
3 cars. That guy is going over there because he's trying to pass you. Alright, now go. Yeah, exiting is easy, right? Because they have a designated lane.
Right. Getting on is
Getting on is the hardest part of highway driving, like I said.
And do I slow down for the exit?
No.
Keep going.
Well, not, once you exit, you slow down, but you don't slow down way back here. Like now you would slow down.
Right here is where I was.
Yes. And at this light at Commercial, you can literally go straight across.
Okay. And then go back on.
Then we're gonna go back on the highway and do that merge thing one more time.
Okay, this is Yaffa turn?
Yeah, go in the middle.
Use the second lane the right to merge onto I-905 North.
I-900, I-95.
But yes, the crazy price, please.
I know that.
Thank you.
Why would I do that?
This is my first time on the highway. I was scared. This is my baby, okay? She's not bad, right?
It's a nice car. It's a Camry, though,
I mean...
What year is it?
2020.
It's a new Camry. What do you expect? It's a Toyota. Yeah, these cars are solid.
Yes. It's a must.
No, you can't beat the Toyota
Yeah.
or Honda. Those Japanese people know how to make cars.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay, alright, so...
We're going...
What's the speed limit for the going on, like this road right here? What is the speed limit for that?
The merge here is probably going to be like 45, 50.
45,
As you
50.
get to the highway, you're going to try to increase your speed to merge.
Fast.
Again, you slow down, make sure it's clear, and then speed up to, 50, 60, 65.
I mean, these mirrors I think are the best I could do in terms of full visibility.
Yeah, the mirrors are good.
Yeah.
But again, when you're changing lane, you cannot depend on just the mirrors.
I have to look at the blind spot.
You have to look at the blind spot.
But what I was saying is that I was trying to adjust the mirrors for optimal visibility.
To reduce the blind spot.
Yeah, and I think this is as good as I can do because I see a good half to 3/4 of this wagon back here.
But that wagon is literally behind you. That's why. If it was up a little bit more, you wouldn't see it.
Then it would be harder, so it would have to be my vision or peripheral or whichever.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Alright, so yeah, you increase your speed here. And you start, once you get to about here, you start kind of, as soon as you can look up there. See this lane, there's an actual lane here. So
this is good, I'm good.
Yeah, so you go ahead and you signal left and you go over when it's clear. Just like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
In 8.8 miles, take exit 42A onto SR810
And I didn't realize there's a lot of this road as well.
Exactly. So you don't have to immediately fly over there.
I thought it was ending. That's why I had to...
Most of the lane coming on, you have a good distance before you have to come over.
That makes sense. Okay, that makes me feel a lot better. That eases my anxiety. Okay, all right, that's good. I like that. That's good. That's better. Okay.
Yeah, that's much better.
All right. So, are we practicing lanes, or should we just stay in the right lane? Keep it simple.
Well, me personally, when I'm driving on the highway,
you want to?
I just stay in the lane. I don't change lane unless there's a reason to change lane. Like, and I don't believe you should be going down the highway just going across. Some people do that nonsense. Like the other day, we were driving on the highway.
This is kind of slow.
It's slow, but signal and go around it when you can.
After this car, right?
Speed up.
After
No.
this other car.
Keep going.
Oh, there are two.
A couple of cars.
Yep. I see them.
Alright, after this guy,
After
you
the
can
second
speed up
one.
and go. Speed up. Yeah. The other day we were driving on the highway and I see a couple of guys fly by, like two Acura Integras, racing, like 3 guys, literally flying, and it was like busy traffic. And maybe 2 or 3 miles down the road, you see them crashed up.
Jesus.
Like, what the hell? Is it like that guy?
Yeah, I saw a couple of race cars. It looked like they were on their way to a meet or something because they weren't racing yet, but you could tell like
You
they
could
were
tell
all
they're
going
race
in the
cars.
same direction. Yeah.
I love the car shows. You know I have a car channel too, right?
No.
Yeah, I have a car channel, exotic car culture. So I do the matter of fact, that's where I'm going as soon as I drop you off. I'm gonna go home, get one of my cars, and head to this car show called Clean Culture.
That's
Yeah.
cool.
I
Do
do
they
a
do
lot of
races?
They do drifting. They have a lot of
That's
drifting.
so
and,
cool.
yeah, I go to the big shows. I drove up to Orlando the other day and did
What?
Beamer Invasion. Big. That video, as soon as I posted it, it got to like 6,000 views.
Nice.
Like by the next day I had 6,000.